Nobel laureate Professor Wole Soyinka has publicly criticized the federal government for banning a politically charged song by veteran rapper Eedris describing the move as a return to censorship and an attack on free expression. The Nigerian Broadcasting Corporation (NBC), in a memo issued on Wednesday, prohibited the song "Tell Your Papa" from being played on radio and television, citing its objectionable nature. The track, directed at President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's son, Sheyi Tinubu, highlights the country's worsening socio-economic conditions and has sparked considerable public discourse. Reacting in a statement titled "Surely Not Again," using irony to describe what he called the government's overreach. Although Soyinka admitted that he had not heard the song himself, he stressed that the government's action was undemocratic and ultimately gave the track more publicity. Soyinka further noted that Nigeria had previously witnessed similar crackdowns on dissenting voices and criticized the tendency of some state authorities to persecute social critics, sometimes resulting to cross-border arrest and prolonged legal battles. He concluded by warning that any government that only tolerates psychopaths and praise singers is ready on a dangerous path. We'll continue to supply you more trendy news updates and exclusive videos. Keep watching Naija News TV.